welcome back to That Icon channel. So today we are going to make slime. Slime is really easy and really fun to make. So right now in a little bit I will be showing you guys the ingredients that we'll be needing to make slime. One thing though, make sure for making slime it can get a little bit messy, like it doesn't get off your shirt easily, especially a shirt like this. And so always have like supervision just in case it gets in your hair or it gets on your shirt or clothes or anything. So yeah. This is my little brother Caleb. He will be helping us today for making slimes. So let's do it. Okay, so before we do anything and show the ingredients, I just want to give you guys an example of really good slimes. So Caleb, would you like to show them? Just yes. Okay, yeah, so this is technically what we're going to be making today. It is non-sticky and it feels so soft. I mean, look at how stretchy it is. It's really stretchy and it's really soft, so that's really good. It's fluffy slime. So, yeah. So, let's get started on making fluffy slime. Let's go. For our first ingredient, it is Elmer's glue. White Elmer's glue, so yeah. So our second ingredient is baking soda. So our third ingredient is contact solution. This is very important. It's not just any contact solution, it has to be certain types. There is something in the contact solution that makes the baking soda and the contact solution and the glue come all together to make slime. So let me show you what is in it. Last but not least, our fourth ingredient is paint and food coloring. Yes, you can either have food coloring or you can either have paint. Any of those work, and it is totally optional. So yeah, so let's get started on making this. So now, first you need a bowl to do all the stuff in. Right now we are just going to add our glue here. As much as you want is okay. That's about good. Our next ingredient, or the next step that we will be doing, is shaving cream. Since we need to make fluffy slime, I forgot to add this, but to make fluffy slime, which we are going to be doing, you need shaving cream or shaving foam or shaving anything. So let's go do it. So unfortunately, this little thing, this works totally fine. The original one works too, but unfortunately there is no more, so I'm going to try to use as much as I can. So let's see if this has any. Ooh, bubbly. And then you're gonna shake, 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 shake your. Okay. About that much is good, and then you are just going to have something, a spoon or something just to mix with. A fork or spoon is totally fine. So now you're going to mix it in. Until it looks like this. So this is how it should look like. By the way, if it looks bubbly to you, like over here, it is not supposed to be bubbly. It's because we added the shaving cream and it was really bubbly. But when you add the shaving cream and the glue together and mix, it will definitely not look like this. It will be so much better. So after mixing for quite a while, it will look like this. So it will look smoothie, like really smooth and like just so smooth and cream. So yeah. Our next step after adding and mixing the glue and the shaving cream together, we are next going to add the food coloring. So let's do that. And you are going to mix it until you get the color that you want. Once you get the color that you want, you can start to add baking soda into it. So let's get that started. So you want to get the right amount of baking soda. So Caleb, if you mind holding the camera, please. Add the baking soda. Oops. About this much baking soda is how it should be. So we are going to put this in here and mix. And you are going to keep mixing this until you think it is fully dissolved. When the baking soda is dissolved, you can stop mixing. The color that we wanted started looking a little bit red, so we added a lot more paint, just so you know. This is the paint that we used. A couple of these mixed in orange. So you want to add squirts so then it can get this color. This is the perfect kind of color that we want because hot pink or almost red is the color that we want because we will be making this sign for this little girl, and I think she would love the color pink or red. So this is a perfect. So after mixing and adding glue, shaving cream, food coloring, and baking soda all together, it's time to add our contact solution. So let's go. So this next step is very important because if you add too much contact solution, your slime will be hard in a couple of days. Also, if you add too much contact solution, at the first couple of days it will be perfect, beautiful. The next day, it will be oily and the container will have oil inside, and that is disgusting and nobody wants slime like that. And it was hard. I know because I've made that mistake and I have to learn it, and I did. So you have to be very cautious. If you are making a lot of slime, like this much, then you want to be adding a couple squirts. But if you're doing very little, then like little dots, little squirts of it, because you don't want to be overdoing it or doing it less. If you do not add a lot of this, then it will be very sticky. So let's get started. So as you can see, it is already turning into it. And as you add, it will get thicker and thicker. And that is what you want. So let's keep on doing it. You also have to be very patient because, of course, this is not going to happen in 10 minutes. It takes time. It takes a lot of time because you don't want to overdo it and have it to be horrible. So, yeah. So yeah, that's what you want.
So if you keep adding little by little, it will soon be like this, and the magic will just come over. You want to make sure that you have all of it on the side, just like this, and then mix in the middle. To check if it is okay, you do the finger test, which is maybe you have a finger that doesn't have anything. Test it. If it doesn't have, but it has a little bit over here. If it has slime on your finger, then that means that it is not ready and it needs a little bit more mixing. But if it has nothing on your finger, then that means it is ready, and now you have to play with it.
So right now, when I did the finger test, you see how I still had slime on my fingers and all stuff. So right now, I just put it on a surface, and I am just playing with it now. This is a mistake that I did that I don't recommend you guys doing. Do not grab it, because you will get your hands so messed up and slime will be all over, and that is not what you want. So I don't recommend doing that for right now. So
yeah. Next, you want to make like a little place right here, and you're going to add contact solution inside and play with it. That much, put it on the edges too. And you're going to mix. Just going to keep mixing and mixing all of it together until it stops. Oh no! Until it stops sticking on your finger. Yeah. So play with it. Play with it. Just keep going like this until it stops sticking to you. Then that means it is okay. And by the looks of it, it is not okay. We need to keep on going and keep on playing. So, yeah.
there you got it. You have your slime. Nothing there. It's beautiful. And of course, after you were mixing it all together and playing, and you notice that you did not get the color that you wanted, feel free to just keep on adding and mix it with a spoon, and it will still be okay. It will just be with more color. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you a lot for making slime. And if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channels, and turn on the notifications bell if you want to watch more videos like this. Hope you enjoyed our new slime video. Stay tuned for more.